Hi, good day everyone. For today's episode, we're going to a place for sightseeing. Wala pa kaming plan. Coffee muna kami. And here's our doggy. For now, we stop muna kasi maggagas muna si Baba. Umaambon ngayon.
Easy, it's cold.
NANI?!
Nandito kami ngayon sa Midway Cafe. It's a restaurant, coffee shop. So, marami silang offer. They offer coffee, they offer breakfast, pastries. Your coffee, Baba?
Very strong.
Yeah, very strong. Ang sarap ng coffee nila dito, guys. They give a good shot sa coffee. So, recommended ko tong cafe na to.
Look at this.
Or coming barefoot, or even just separating small things between the sidewalk would immediately make it feel more safe than as small as the sidewalk is.
Ang sarap ng timpla ng kanilang salsa. So far. Yung anghang, tama lang. Yung alat at asim, tama. Masarap.
Avocado toast. Bang.
I ordered BLT, but I removed the tomato because I don't eat tomato. And this one is avocado toast for Baba. Okay naman yung sandwich niya dito. Ang sarap yung bacon. Medyo matigas na yung bread for me. But if you are a vegan, this shop is for you. Kasi they are offering vegan food here. We are now here. This is the view.
This is only the short, not even a hike, but it's by the parking lot of Flat Top. And over here is Anchorage. You can't really see it right now because there's a bunch of clouds.
We are now here at the other side of the Flat Top. Hindi kami nagpunta sa mountain, hindi kami nag-hike. Nandito lang kami sa malapit lang sa parking lot nila. Don't have a hiking gear kasi kaya hindi kami aakyat sa mountain. But naakyat na namin siya before. Ngayon medyo delikado. We have a small walk today. Ang lamig. Ayan. Me and Baba, this is our favorite activity. Sometimes we go hike, we go trail, sightseeing. We're just exploring Anchorage
With our dog.
with our dogs, yes. Kasi our dogs, they love outdoor and hike also. So guys, pabalik na kami. Nakapag-walk na rin yung dog namin.
Gonna move.
Juno, go there. So now we're going home. And that's all for today, guys. See you on my next video.